Hi guys, so today I'm making a video on how I'm going to harvest my turmeric. So I planted it on March. This is 9 months for the turmeric. So today is November, so I'm harvesting the turmeric. I'm making a video, so follow me guys. These are the turmeric. So today I'm going to harvest the turmeric. These are the turmerics. There are multiple of them in the ground. You just have to have patience and dig them out. I'm going side by side. There are much of it here. You have to be careful. I'm digging from every angle. So I've uprooted the main root. What's this? Just all this essence. I've killed it. Guys, see the root. 9 months. Okay, this is just massive growth. Imagine you plant turmeric just for 9 months. This is your result, and it is not finished. There are still more under, and there are still more I'm going to harvest. So turmeric farming is a very, very best farming. Can't you just see? Turmeric are so big. So this is the second bag. There are 2 bags on the floor. This is the second bag. Imagine. I only put only one seed of turmeric in the ground. Hi guys, so as I was saying, I used 1 seed of turmeric and germinated all this, so you can try it. So this is the turmeric. There's still a lot of it inside the ground. So you guys wait patiently and harvest everything. See, turmeric is the very best and economical farming. No stress. So guys, you're gonna stay tuned to see me when I'm done harvesting the turmeric. See my next video, guys. Hi guys, so today we have come to the end of our harvesting of turmeric. So this is what we got from all the grounds. Yes, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you.